Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to share a pivotal moment in my YouTube journey that I believe many creators can relate to. Not long ago, my YouTube videos were getting thousands of views. Every upload felt like a win, but behind the scenes, it was a constant struggle. Copyright claims, demonetizations, content takedown, and worst of all, I wasn't even considered the original owner of my own uploads. So guys, I made a tough decision. I changed my niche completely. I walked away from the trending news content, the very niche that built my audience. And now, I am getting less than 100 views per video. Can you imagine, guys? This video is not just my story. It is a little look at what happens when you pivot on YouTube. The truth, the algorithm, the growth reset, and what I have learned so far. So guys, why did I choose trending news in the first place? Let's be honest. Trending news pulls in views very fast. The search demand is instant. The audience is huge, and if you are early, that is, if you are among the very first YouTubers to upload, your video explodes. It worked for me. I had a rhythm, trending topics, fast edits, catchy thumbnails, and boom, thousands of views. But then guys, the problem started. Channel got demonetized repeatedly. Some of the videos, I had to remove them completely. Even if I edited clips or added commentary, YouTube still flagged my content. Why? Because I was not the original source. So guys, why did I decide to change my niche? I realized I was building my channel on borrowed time. If I did not pivot, I would lose it all again. And then I had already been hacked once before. And that is when I decided I will do content that is sustainable, original, and content that is mine. Guys, here comes the reality of starting all over again. Switching niches on an existing channel is like starting a new channel. My old subscribers were here for a trending content. Now, many don't click anymore. YouTube does not push my new videos like it used to. I am basically invincible in the algorithm right now. Moving forward, I'm treating this as a long game now. I am focusing on original content, long-term strategy, and community building. It is slower, but at least I am creating something that is mine, and I am not looking over my shoulder for copyright claims. So guys, if you are changing your niche or thinking about it, just know that views will drop, growth will slow down. But if your goal is sustainability and creative freedom, it is worth it. Guys, I am sharing this because too many creators only talk about their wins, but such reset is part of YouTube journey too. If you ever changed your niche, or if you are thinking about it, drop a comment below. Let us support each other in the messy middle. If you're new here, please consider subscribing because I am building something real this time around. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.